I'm Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and a commonly asked question is a SMILE LASIK procedure safe? And the simple answer is yes. It's a very safe procedure, a very controlled procedure, and one that's been very carefully evaluated by the FDA before its approval. It's a procedure that we do commonly, and if you're the right candidate for it, you will have the full benefits of seeing clearly after the SMILE procedure. So if you're interested, please look us up for a free consultation, and we'll be happy to guide you further. Thank you. If you meet the criteria that requires you to be qualified, you'll be a good candidate for SMILE. If you need further information, please look us up for a free consultation, and we'll be happy to guide you. We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.